Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to look at how to use Claude and ChatGPT together to get the best of both worlds. Many people think they have to choose one AI assistant, but the truth is that these tools work even better when you combine them. Each has unique strengths, and using them together can help you save time, improve your work, and produce better results. Let's start with ChatGPT. It's great for brainstorming ideas, answering questions, writing code, creating outlines, generating images, and helping you quickly get started on almost any project. If you're staring at a blank page or need inspiration, ChatGPT is an excellent place to begin because it can generate ideas in just a few seconds. Claude, on the other hand, shines when it comes to working with long documents and refining content. It's especially useful for reviewing large amounts of text, improving readability, summarizing reports, and providing thoughtful feedback. If you've already created a draft and want to make it more polished and professional, Claude is a fantastic choice. A simple workflow is to start your project in ChatGPT. Ask it to brainstorm ideas, create an outline, or write the first draft. Once you have something to work with, copy that draft into Claude. Ask Claude to improve the flow, remove repetition, strengthen transitions, and make the writing sound more natural. After that, you can even bring the improved version back into ChatGPT to generate social media posts, YouTube descriptions, titles, or thumbnail ideas. This workflow also works well for coding. You can use ChatGPT to generate code, explain programming concepts, or help debug errors. Then, paste that code into Claude and ask it to review the logic, suggest improvements, or identify areas where the code can be cleaner and more efficient. Since the two models sometimes notice different issues, using both can help you create better code. If you're doing research, ChatGPT is great for learning the basics of a topic or getting a quick overview. After collecting articles or documents, upload them to Claude and ask it to summarize the key points, compare different sources, or identify important insights. This combination gives you both speed and depth. Another useful habit is to ask both AI assistants the same important question. If they give similar answers, that's a good sign. If they disagree, it's worth checking trusted sources to verify the information before making decisions. Using multiple perspectives can help reduce mistakes and improve the quality of your work. Finally, don't forget to save your best prompts. When you discover prompts that consistently produce great results, keep them in a document so you can reuse them later. Building your own prompt library will save you time and help you get more consistent answers from both Claude and ChatGPT. That's how you can combine these two powerful AI assistants to boost your productivity. Instead of thinking about which one is better, think about how each can complement the other. By using ChatGPT for creativity and fast generation, and Claude for careful review and refinement, you'll create higher quality work in less time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.